Hi, welcome back to PIXIPACE, and this is Adobe Photoshop tutorial part 5, in which we are going to discuss about the crop tool and tools panel. In this video I am going to teach you about the simple crop tool and perspective crop tool. I know this video is going to be a very interesting for you, so watch this video completely. Crop tool is the fifth tool of tools panel in Adobe Photoshop, and I already explained about the first tool, that is move tool, marquee tool, lasso tool and object selection tool. So now we are going to discuss about the crop tool. The shortcut of crop tool is C. You can press to use it, or you can select this fifth icon in this tools panel. As you can see, crop tool automatically detect the image for cropping, and if you want to crop any image, then you just need to move these boundaries, move these borders of crop tool in inward or outward. You can select this border from any side, like from top, bottom, left, right, and you can move it in any direction, like left, right, right to left, or bottom to up to bottom. And if you want to crop your image in a proportion, you can also select this border from any corner of the image. Here you can see. Moreover, if you want to crop the image or document in a proper proportion, then you can use the shift key and then crop your image. Now you can check. I'm going to crop the image in a proper direction or in a proper proportion. Now let's discuss about the move functions. Like, we selected the area here. Suppose if you want to crop this area, then you simply need to press on this check button, or you can also press enter. And here you can check our image is cropped. Now let's talk about some more functions of crop tool. Like, here you can find the ratio. Ratio means you can select any kind of ratio for cropping any image. Like, you wanna crop the image square, or 4:7 or 5:7 or 16:19, or in a particular size. Suppose I wanna scale this image cropping. Because we already selected the ratio of any image for cropping, then it means it will work according to that ratio. As I selected the 1:1 or a square, then definitely it will select the image, or it will crop the image in a square. As you can see here, I can move it from anywhere to anywhere, like from any border, but it will crop the image in a square. You can check now. And if you wanna custom cropping, then simply clear the ratio of any image. Now it will work according to your commands, or I can say it will customize your cropping. Now move to our next point, that is how you wanna see your cropping. Like, for cropping you wanna use a rule of thumb, or you wanna use golden ratio. So every kind of ratios or parameters are included in this icon. You just need to press on this icon, then you can find, like here I'm using the rule of thumb for now. And here you can also use the grid, diagonal, triangle, golden ratio, golden spiral. I prefer to use rule of thumb because sometimes I use the images or the exact location of any object by the use of rule of thumb, but the golden ratio is the another perfect way to crop any image. The next option is settings of crop tool. By pressing on this, you can use the classic mode. This crop tool borders you can find in the older versions of Adobe Photoshop. I'm using a latest version of Adobe Photoshop, and I prefer to use it in a latest way. Next is show cropped area. you already can check it. It is very helpful to use that setting like to show crop area so that we can understand how much area we cropped or how much area is left and what kind of area is needed for my project or for my image. So everything can be seen here. Auto center preview, it will auto center the preview of any image. And next is delete cropped area pixels. If you click or if you check this delete cropped pixels, it means after cropping it will delete that unwanted area of the photo. And if you uncheck this button, then it means it will only hide that unwanted area. It will not delete it permanently. Suppose I'm going to uncheck this, and here I cropped this side of the image and again I wanna crop it. So you can find the area, unwanted area is still here. And if I click on delete the cropped pixels, then check. Now you can check our unwanted area is already deleted permanently. For our safety, you should uncheck this delete cropped area. Our next function is content aware. This is the most useful and pretty function of cropping tool. Suppose I wanted an area of this image in this direction, like, and as you can check here, the area of image, this area will be deleted because I don't want it, and I selected only this area. Now you can find in left and right side the area is empty because I expanded the area of image, but I check this content aware. It means it will automatically fill this new area. Now I'm going to press enter, or I can click on this check button. As you can see here, it really solved my problem. By just pressing one button, it filled that area, it filled that expanded area. So this is the use of content aware. It means it will automatically fill the area with the content of your image. Let's move to our next crop function, that is perspective cropping. Perspective crop, I can say. See, this is a hidden tool in crop tool. For using that, you need to press a right click on crop tool, or you can also press long on crop tool, and here you can find perspective crop tool, or the shortcut of this tool is shift plus C. Now our perspective crop tool is selected by the using shortcut shift plus C. What is the use of this tool, or what is the use of perspective crop tool? This tool is very useful when you are going to export any kind of document. I suppose we mostly do click the images of document and then export it in Photoshop, and you can find the unwanted areas of any document, or you want to select it properly. Then in such kind of situations you can use the perspective crop tool. Suppose this is the area I wanna show on my front, so I will select this particular object and crop it accurately. Now you can check, I simply click on the one side of object and on another side. You can see here I only select that particular object and I wanna show only this object in the cropping image. So now I'm going to simply press enter. Here you can check our object is completely selected and it's completely aligned. So this is a most useful function of cropping and a very helpful function, because by using this a lot of problems can be solved, mostly about the documents. It will select the area accurately, or it will crop the area accurately as per our requirements. Now there are another functions of perspective crop tool. Let's find out what are these functions. Here you can find the width and height. It means by using this function you can particularly select the width or height any image. If I click on this front image, you can check after clicking on front image, it automatically filled the value. It means this is the current value of our document, which is the value of our image. Now it will crop that object in the accurate size or in the fixed size, which we already given to the Photoshop. And here is the resolution of our object, and it means current resolution of the cropped area will be this. You can set it manually as per your requirements. When you click on clear button, it means it will crop that area as per the original ratio. The next is show grid. It's the same as the simple crop tool. Now this tool is showing a grid of cropped tool, and by clicking on this tool we can reject the cropped area. And this is the same as I already told you. By pressing on this button, the area of any image will be cropped, and here I crop the object. I hope you enjoyed it, and this tool is going to be a very useful tool, especially perspective crop tool. This tool is the most useful tool when you are crop any kind of document. So if you like this video, then share it with your friends and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about this video in a comment section. Again, thank you so much for watching PIXIPACE YouTube channel.